the word since he turned up. Fuad's been trying to bounce. He's been sitting in the back chat saying he's leaving for about half an hour, bro.
Actually, no. Funny enough, Fuad, you didn't answer my question about like why you still believe in Arteta. I was being serious about that. What, like, can I get an actual answer on the real?
No, you won't. You won't. He's in the press
conference. Last time I spoke to you, what? A while back, innit? I said I'll give him a few games.
But I know you said you'll give it until. But why do you still back him?
I don't bro. I don't back him 100% like these guys think I do.
No, I know that. But again, the percentage that you back him in. Whatever percentage it is that you back him in, why?
He's not showing me. He's not showing me enough that he's going to do it anyway. At the same time, they're not going to sack him. So I don't really like.
No, but who cares if they'll sack him? Who cares if they'll sack him? I mean, your opinion.
Yeah, but my opinion. I'm watching the football. I'm not going to sit there all day.
No, but like Lee wants Arteta gone, and they're not going to sack him. So like, but Lee still has an opinion. So why can't you have your opinion?
I said on Newcastle. I said at the start of the show, if he doesn't change it for Newcastle, then he's got to go.
Game by game, Latimer. See who's all these haps out, mate. You just don't want to say Arteta out because he gets abused like I do.
Who do you think's winning the league?
At the present moment, it looks like Liverpool.
Do you believe Arsenal have a chance?
Oh, Arsenal, of course they got a chance. I think we still got a chance.
But Arsenal aren't winning the league, so why do you have an opinion on Arsenal winning the league?
Because you can't say that. What happens if they win the league? Nothing's guaranteed till me.
Judging me, guys.
Okay, but it's not guaranteed that they won't sack Arteta then. So why can't you have an opinion on sacking Arteta?
well, that's sacking Arteta is not in my hands. But I have an opinion of thinking we're going to win the league. That's
Arsenal winning the league is not in your hands.
What do you mean? Of course, it's in my hands. It's
my
opinion. It's my opinion. When I
Arsenal winning the league is in your hands.
And you backing Arteta is also your opinion. So I'm asking
why. I'm backing the players too. I'm backing the players. I back the players.
Okay. What? Okay. Why do you back the players and manager into?
Because I support Arsenal. That's why I support them. Why do you support Chelsea?
I support Chelsea, but I'm not dumb enough to think that we're going to win the league this season.
Because you're shit.
And what are you?
We're better than you in the league table. Don't lie.
Well, okay, well
the
done.
The table does lie.
Well done. What does that mean?
Well, you win a conference league in Afghanistan. You guys want to be bouncing everywhere.
What does that mean?
Who cares?
You're better than me. That's shit. You're better than me. That's shit. But you're not going to win the league either. So who's really shit?
Well, we've got a better chance than you winning the league, haven't we?
You really don't.
A better question. Who has a better chance to win a trophy this season?
Arsenal.
Chelsea. I can guarantee we're winning a trophy this year. You won't.
Okay. Well, see and me where you are then, innit? Come see me and me. We'll have the same conversation.
So why do you judge? Okay, so Fuad, you judge, success based off a league finish, then, yeah?
Sometimes, yeah.
Can you see what we're up against? Yeah, I swear we're infested, mate.
Well, I'm not going to sit here and a Chelsea fan diss my team. Not even an Arsenal fan. You talk about blah, blah, blah. Do you hear me?
But I'm not dissing your team. I'm just asking you why you
believe
I'm asking you. You dissed my team. You called Chelsea.
I got every right to.
All I asked you was why you still back Arteta.
I'm old enough to tell you. I remember why you still back Arteta. I used to tell your fans back in the day. You guys were when Elvis Presley was around, bro. You can't talk to Arsenal. We got 13 titles, bro.
What? Wait.
No,
you mean like
that's what I'm going on.
Are you talking about pre-Rome? Are you talking about pre-Rome?
Chelsea. Okay, you have your 2 European Cups.
Oh no, but I'll answer who Chelsea are.
Come back to me with double figures.
You want to know who Chelsea are? Chelsea are a club.
No, I don't know who you are, bro. When I was a kid, I didn't know who you are.
Chelsea are a club.
I didn't know who you are.
Pre-Roman.
You were the team.
Chelsea are. No, you asked me a question. I'll answer you. You asked me a question. You're waffling. Let me answer your question.
I don't know who you are.
Chelsea are a club.
I don't know who you are. Where's your double figures in the league?
I know who you are. You're a man with
no we don't know who you are, though. That's the truth. We made the Premier League. Man United, Arsenal, Liverpool. Then teams can talk. You guys are dead. Yeah. How can you talk?
They've won more Premier Leagues than we have.
Chelsea are dead. Arsenal are dead.
Relevant.
They've won more Premier Leagues than we have. What are you talking about?
We're gonna back that. We got 13 titles. They're more relevant.
But we're both dead.
Okay. Fuad, 1 second. Easy way to shut him up here. They've got more league titles in the Premier League than us, yeah? and we have more league titles than them in general. Cool. Can you tell me who scored the winner at Stamford Bridge, in 1934, that won us the league at their ground for the second time? Oh, you can't. Cool.
I wasn't born.
So no problem. So it don't matter about them back in 30s then, right?
I wasn't born.
Neither was I, mate. Don't mean you don't know your history, innit?
Yeah, but I know Arsenal. I know when I was young.
You know Arsenal, well, you don't. You
just
don't know the scorer of the goal that won us the league.
But you asked me about Chelsea. I know Chelsea.
Listen, the difference.
I know
Chelsea. Is you will always go negative because your club. He can't say nothing to me because when I was young in the 80s, they wasn't even. No one was talking about him. Even Palace had a better reputation.
But you know what Chelsea are? You know what Chelsea are as a club? Chelsea pre-Roman, with Roman, post-Roman.
Yeah, that's
we win trophies. No matter what, we just win trophies.
When I was young, I didn't see you do anything, so you're not relevant to me. I don't give a shit about you.
Find a way to win cups.
I don't give a shit.
That's why last season I demanded we win that Conference League because I don't want Chelsea to be in the Conference League or Europa. But what I know about Chelsea, if we're in these lesser competitions, we win it regardless because that's just what we're doing. That's how you build mentality.
They're in the Champions League with us.
Chelsea's irrelevant. When I was young, Chelsea was irrelevant.
When you were young,
and now you're old. Now you're old and Arsenal are irrelevant. What now?
No.
You're an old man and Arsenal are irrelevant.
In my childhood, I would have had. In my childhood, they give me a better chance than any Chelsea fan.
Cool, that's fine. And in my childhood, Arsenal were irrelevant. I'm an adult now. Arsenal are irrelevant. What now?
You was never part of the big boys anyway. You were nothing.
And you're not part of the big boys. You don't sit on my table.
We're the finders,
you don't
bro.
sit on my table.
We're the finders.
I sit in Europe. You don't sit on my table.
We're the finders of the Premier League. We put them on the map. We
Chelsea sent Arsenal to the shops, man. We sent you to the shops in Europe.
You guys were dead.
You don't sit on my table.
You guys sit on our table. We built this shit. We own the castle.
You did not build anything. You did not build anything.
We did not build the Premier League.
Did not build anything.
Of course we did. Liverpool, Man United, and Arsenal. And
what have you built? What have you built? You're 50 billion
centre back. Even Everton got more league titles than you. 9 league titles.
Yes,
okay. So forward, right there, right, lads. Wait. So on that premise alone, then, yeah. Don't you think that's a mad fall from grace that you've just mentioned? Everton, Tottenham, Liverpool, Arsenal, Man United, Chelsea, and Man City were nowhere near. Don't you think that's a mad fall from grace? Then fast forward in all these years.
They're not relevant to me. To my opinion, they're never going to be irrelevant to me.
They're always going to be irrelevant. Well, let me tell you right now, Man City and Chelsea win a couple more trophies, mate. We're the 5th biggest team in England.
But it doesn't matter.
Chelsea. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. You sound like a Spurs fan, mate.
Chelsea ain't irrelevant to me.
But we've won a trophy. Yeah, but we've won one in 17 years. Yeah, but it doesn't matter. We've won one recently.
They were never irrelevant to me. When I was a kid, I didn't know they were.
But Chelsea not being relevant to you, no offense, but your opinion's irrelevant.
Because when I was young, they didn't exist.
Yes, but now you're in your 40s. Big man, you're in your 40s and Arsenal are irrelevant.
Okay, Ladimus, 1 second. In 1999, can you tell me where Chelsea finished in the league for it? 1999, when Man United did the treble, can you say no? When Man United did the treble.
So when it comes to Chelsea league,
no, I'm just asking you a basic question.
I don't give a shit where they finished.
Oh, they finished right behind us, mate. It was a 3-way title race. Yeah, but apparently it was only when Abramovich rocked up they were good. Well, that was fucking years before Abramovich rocked up, 5-6 years.
I don't rate Chelsea. When I was young, I thought they were
when you was young. You're not young. You're an old man. You're mid-40s, bruv. Same as me.
The thing is, right? That's fine. You don't need to rate Chelsea.
I don't want to rate Chelsea. They're shit.
But the thing is, that's fine. You don't need to rate Chelsea.
Well, I won't rate Chelsea. They're shit.
That's okay. You won't rate Chelsea. That's fine. You don't need to. You don't have to. But the record shows. Shows for half of your life you've not won a major trophy. Do you not have shame?
I've seen 5 major trophies in my life.
For half of, I am 27 years old. For most of my life, Arsenal have not sniffed a major.
But you guys you guys can have that.
No, stop. Let that sink in. For most of my life,
irrelevant. It's irrelevant. It's going in 1 year coming out.
It's not irrelevant.
Chelsea
it's not irrelevant.
Yeah,
it is. Sniff the major.
Chelsea is shit to me. I don't give a shit what they do.
Ladimus, very quickly, Ladimus, you're 27, yeah? What is your first memory of Chelsea? What year? And since that year that you first watched Chelsea, how many trophies has your club won in that time, roughly?
My first memory is My biggest memory that stands out is Lampard's goal against Blackburn when we won the league.
And that was what year was that?
04, 05, 04, 05.
Okay, so that was after we won Invincible, and then you got more points than us. Cool. So since that season, you've won about 20 odd trophies.
Yes.
Okay, so you've actually factually in about 16 years less than me on this planet seen your club win more trophies than I have.
Completed football.
Yeah, but this guy's saying you're irrelevant. That's crazy.
They're irrelevant to me.
And it's fine. I know, but it's fine. It's fine.
It doesn't matter that my wife sucks somebody else's dick, lads. It doesn't matter that my girlfriend cheated on me 16 times. She can change, innit? Yeah, because she's...
In your opinion, Chelsea can be irrelevant, but at the end of the day, for more than half of your life, Arsenal have not sniffed a major trophy.
I have
not
told you,
sniffed a major trophy.
Chelsea were nothing to me. They weren't even.
And now you're an old man, and you're not sniffing a major trophy.
No, I can still. I don't. When it comes to Chelsea, I'll stay in the past.
Exactly. Yeah, and that's what you Arsenal fans do. You live in the past. Yes.
No, I stay in the past when it comes to Chelsea.
Of course.
Because they're shit.
Hey, yes, can I just say something? Can I just say something to the Chelsea fan, please? You're playing Lincoln City tomorrow, yeah?
Yeah.
Do you know where that is?
In England.
Do you know where Lincoln is?
In England,
it's right
somewhere
near Stoke.
Yeah, it's in Lincolnshire, next to Nottinghamshire.
Which is near Stoke.
I live in Lincoln, by the way, and I support Lincoln City because it's my hometown team, and they are the form side, probably one of the form sides in the country at the minute. They beat Luton at the weekend. Great win, 3-1. So I think we're going to turn Chelsea over tomorrow. And then Benfica's going to come along with Mourinho next week and gobble you up too.
All right, this is crazy work, bro. Fucking hell, he was doing all right. No, what's happened here?
Yeah, and also,
let him do what he got. The man got every right to say what he wants.
And you know what? And you know what? Let's assume that happens. Now what? Still 22 years without a major trophy. Now what?
All right, and guess what? Even if that does happen, let's say you lose to Lincoln, yeah, which you won't because they're crap. Yeah, my parents used to live in Sleaford, Lincoln, and Fiskerton. Yeah. So I know Lincolnshire inside out. Right? Let me tell you right now, yeah, Chelsea slap Lincoln comfortably with a fucking B squad, C squad, D squad, E squad. Yeah. Benfica, that's a different story. But guess what? Let's assume they lose both of them games. Their fans will be rioting to get the manager out. Yeah, and that is the difference. Yeah, and if Benfica, I don't know who they got in the next two games other than Chelsea. Who's the other game?
We got Rio Ave tomorrow night.
Rio Ave, yeah. Rio Avenue, that's it, yeah. Cool. You lose 3-0, 2-0, 1-0, whatever the score is, yeah? Guess what? Your fans will be on Jose's case.